So yesterday we made it safe and sound to the Don Sak Pier. I mean, the ferry wasn't too bad, only maybe a little bit in the beginning. The boat seriously was like this, but only at the beginning, and then everything was fine. And after that we drove over with the scooter back to Khanom, back to the house of our friend where we are right now. And if you're wondering why we didn't film nothing here in Khanom, the thing is, the only purpose we came here is to visit our friend that we've known for a very long time, from the time when we were living on the Canary Islands, and he lives here for I think maybe 7 years now or so. And yeah, the only purpose was to come and visit him, and also from here it's very close to go to the islands. So yeah, and we've been already like 3 or 4 years ago here in Khanom, so we've seen already a few things here, and there is not so much to do here anyway. It's a very quiet beach town, I would say, and it's nice, but it was just we came here for a purpose and nothing more. And also we've been just, I think, in total now 2 days or so. And yeah, at the moment we are here back in the house of our friend, waiting for another friend. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning, and the friend gonna pick up us and drive us to the airport of Nakhon Si Thammarat, and from there we're gonna fly to Bangkok, and that means it's our last day here today. And oh, we are super sad. And yeah, tomorrow we have a very long day in front of us, because we're gonna fly from Bangkok to Singapore. Then we have 8 hours in Singapore, and yeah, after the 8 hours, we have a 12 hours flight back to Munich, and then we have to take a train to go to Ulm, which is my hometown. It's between Stuttgart and Munich. And yeah, only reason I'm happy is because I'm gonna see my mom and I'm gonna see my dog. So happy for that. And we're gonna stay there around 10 days, and then we fly back to Spain, to Mallorca. It's an island. I don't know if you've ever been there, and that is where Leo and me are living. Yeah, talk to you later. On our last day in this amazing country, we just took it nice and easy because we had a very long trip in front of us. So we had one last tight dinner with our friend here, and then we enjoyed a beautiful sunset from our hotel and went to sleep very early. Good morning from Bangkok. So we are ready to fly back home. So yesterday we came to Bangkok and we spent the last day with our friend here. And yeah, today is the day to fly back home. Oh my god, we cannot believe it. 2 months of traveling has come to an end. But now we're gonna fly to Singapore and then we have a 8 hours layover there, and then we're gonna fly 13 hours straight to Germany. So let's see what awaits us in Singapore. And yeah, gonna see us soon.
Are you happy that you go?
No, not at all.
Oh. You have a good time?
Yes, the best time, always in Thailand.
Oh my god, we just realized that we had to go and pick up our bags at the airport. We left some bags, so we had to go first, pick it up, take the bags, split it, and then go to the gate.
Yeah, it's crazy. We absolutely forgot about these bags, because when we've been in Vietnam, we needed a lot of long clothes and thermal leggings and stuff, because it was freezing cold there. And then before we went to Thailand, we said, okay, let's let the bags at the airport. And now we just realized, like, oh my god, we have to go and pay for the bags and pick them up and organize everything. So yeah, good that my husband is that smart and that he remembered.
Last time.
One last toasty. Let's go to 7-Eleven.
Oh, last toast is in Bangkok. Look at this.
Wow.
Look at this.
She made it with a lot of love.
Yes. Now I need to put on my
There's so many people here. It's just crazy. We are waiting in the line for check-in scenes like for ages. So fingers crossed that we're gonna make it to our plane.
Avatar.
Wow, this is the coolest airport ever. Germany.
Yeah, man. As you
Such
see,
a sadness here.
Yeah.
So yeah, we are in Ulm. As you can see here in the back is the Ulmer Münster. So this is where I am from here in Germany. And yeah, it's been such a long time that I was not here, like 5 years or so.
yeah.
But yeah, because our dog is, meanwhile we were traveling, our dog Luna, she was staying with my mom. So we had to fly now to Germany to pick up Luna. And in like a week or so, we're gonna fly back to Mallorca, which is an island in Spain, and that's where we live. Yeah, we wanted to make a review about the Jewel Changi Airport in Singapore. So the airport was very, very cool, I have to say, because there is not one airport with an indoor waterfall and with a jungle almost inside. So it was very cool. But in the same time, it was like so confusing because it's so huge, one terminal from one to the another, and then there you have to take a sky train, and then it's like a mall inside. So it was cool, but in the same time also confusing.
Yeah.
And also when you come in transit, I think maybe everybody has to do it, because we've been in transit. So we came from Bangkok, and then we had a layover of 8 hours. So you have to fill up one SG travel card or something.
Yeah, it's one permission to go inside of Singapore. You fill up a form, and you will receive one email, and with this email you show to the custom,
to the
immigration custom, and then they let you go inside for see more or less what is in the jewelry, no?
Jewel. Because the problem is that the Jewel, the main attraction of this airport, it is like inside of the airport, but it's outside anyway. So people from outside, they can also come and visit that. So it's like officially in the country of Singapore. So it's out of the transit area. And then inside of the airport, there's like 1,000 things that you can do. There is like for kids a lot of things to do. Up there is a canopy park where there are some like nets, like they're hanging, and you just can like climbing over them or something like that.
Like playground.
Slides and stuff, yes. And there's like a lot of restaurants and shops and stuff like this. So, but you really need time to do all these kind of things. And like in each terminal, there is different things to do. Even if we had 8 hours of time, we did not have time to see everything, because there was I heard like a butterfly garden and then a sunflower garden. And yeah, but for sure we're gonna come back one day or another, because we also want to explore Singapore a bit. And yeah, now I say enough. And here in Germany, we didn't film much because Leo and me, we've been super exhausted, traveling 2 months in a row. So we took it nice and easy and spent some time with our family and friends until it was time to fly back home.